Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you'll learn how you can easily add booking reviews for your site in Duda. So let's go. First, what you want to do is just scroll down below in the description and click on the link below. When you will have it, you'll get on this site called Placeit. Placeit is an amazing company and they are making a lot of widgets for sites, and one of them is booking reviews. Let's click sign up for free. And now just add here email and password or sign up with Google or Facebook. And when you will have it, you want to click on login. Right here, you want to write booking. Yep, booking reviews. Let's create a widget. Now you have reviews widget, carousel, slider, grid. You can really choose which one you like. I'm going to choose this one here. Let's continue with the template. Now you just add here booking place URL. When you have it, you can change the layout. You can change the review, the style, the colors, etc. Let's just click save now. And now, when you will have it, you need to choose a plan. If you're just starting out, choose a light version. It's 200 views per month. But if you got 50,000 views or 5,000 views, go with the basic or pro version. Also, you got all applications, but we will get to it on the end of the video after I show you how you can add it to your site. So we have a code here. I will just click widget in Duda, HTML. Let's add it here. And let's just paste it here. As you can see, we got perfect booking reviews. Now, when I click on design, I can go to spacing and change the spacing on booking reviews. Perfect. And this is it. This is how you can add booking reviews. What I recommend is also check all the applications here. When I'm going to click here, you can add Instagram feed, pricing table, Twitter feed, so many feeds. It's a lot of stuff. So definitely check it out. Thank you very much everybody for watching. I hope you are going to have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.